Welcome to tutorial number 3, variables and data types. In this tutorial we'll discuss the different data types that are used in Java. There are a total of 8 data types in Java that hold numbers and characters and boolean values. Let's start with numbers. There are 6 data types that hold number values. These are byte, short, integer, long, float or double. The byte data type can only hold a small range of numbers. These are between -128 and +127. The short value can hold a large number, followed by the integer value and long. These data types only hold whole numbers, so if we need to store a number that is a decimal, we need to use either a float or double data type. Alright, so to define a data type, we type what type of data type we want it to be. We want to create a byte variable. So we write byte, my byte equals, say, 7. And we want to print out the my byte value. So we're going to write system.out.println, and we only want the system to print out the my byte value, so we just write my byte. Save that and run. And there we have the my byte value of 7 is printed out in the console here. Right, the same is for integer values, short values and double values. To define the integer value, we write int my int equals, say, 6 this time. We want the program to print out my int, and 6 is printed out. Now your variable name can be anything. I can write that to be variables. I just need to change this to variables for it to print out that number. And there we go, 6 is printed out. Alright, to define a short value, we write short. To define a double, we write double. Alright, as I said, doubles and floats hold a decimal number. So, write double. My double equals 8. 8.456. We want to print out my double, so we write my double in the system.out.println. Save that and run. And we have 8.456 printed out in the console. Alright, the next data type we're going to talk about is the character data type. The character data type only holds one character, such as U, 7, just a space, or any other character such as 8 or any other numbers. To define a character value, we write char, the character variable that we want to call it. We're going to call it myChar for this, and we use single quotation marks to define the character and end that with a semicolon. We're going to print out my char. So we write my char here, save that and run. And then we have R written here. Alright, the final data type is a Boolean data type. The Boolean data type can only hold one of two values, and that's true or false. So we're going to write Boolean my Boolean equals true, and we want to print out my Boolean. Save that and run. So, and my Boolean is printed out as true. Alright, recapping, there are 8 different types of data types. There are 6 number types. These are byte, short, what's the other one? Int, double, float, and long. The character data type only holds one single character. The Boolean data type only holds a true or false value.